Hello guys, today we will learn how to download and install GNS3. We will follow these steps to download and install GNS3. First of all, we will go to download GNS3 and then we will download GNS3 VM and finally we will download VMware Workstation Pro 17. Then we will start installation one by one. So let's get started. Open browser and set gns3.com/software/download and download GNS3 for Windows. I have already downloaded, that's why I am just cancelling this one. After download this, go to download the GNS3 VM at the bottom. Download VMware Workstation. Then go to getintopc.com website and download VMware Workstation Pro. Keep remember the zip password is 123. Now we have downloaded all the files. Let us start installing. Extract the GNS3 VM. First of all, install VMware Workstation Pro 17. Password is 123. Okay. Next, I accept. Next, keep the default setting. Next, install. After finishing, we need to crack this Workstation Pro. Read the guidelines. Okay, before opening the crack, you have to disable the Windows Defender setting or any antivirus you are using. So just disable for time being. I'm disabling the real-time protection. Now just open the crack. Select the version which you want to activate and selecting the Workstation Pro version 17. Copy the serial key. Open VMware Workstation. Just insert the serial key and so now your VMware Workstation is activated. Next step is to install GNS3 all-in-one. So just next. Keep the default setting. Just click no. Uncheck the start DNS. Now open VMware Workstation Pro and import the VM machine. To import the VM machine, go to the file, open, select the VM where we extract, open. It will be imported into VMware Workstation. Just type the name GNS3 VM, import. It will take some time to import. Just wait. Our VM is imported now. Now let us open the GNS3 and see if it is working. Go to the preference, select the server, enable the server and enable GNS3. Select the VMware Workstation. VM will be automatically attached. You can change the processor from here. Trying to start the VM from GNS3. It's not starting, so we need to check what is the issue. Okay, in GNS3 VM there is an issue with the VT-X EPT. So this is a processor error. In this case, if we get this kind of error, so two things we have to do. The first thing, we need to enable virtualization from BIOS, Intel virtualization technology, and then we have to disable the Hyper-V features from the Windows, because both Hyper-V and VMware both together cannot work. So in this case, we have to disable Hyper-V. Go to the control panel, program and features, and turn Windows feature on now, and then uncheck this Hyper-V and click OK. After that, you have to restart your computer and then try to open GNS3 VM. Let me change some settings, like let me assign processor and increase the RAM. You can do this one from GNS3 also. Let us start and check the machine is opening or not. Now you can see the machine is started, so that error has been gone. This way you can troubleshoot the error. Now VMware is started, and now we will check the GNS3. Let's open. Just wait to connect to the VM. Type the project name. I'm typing the test project. Okay. Just wait for some time. Okay. Now you can see the GNS3 is working. GNS3 VM is started and it is connected with the GNS3. Now you can import any of your device and you can start work. In next video, I will show you how to download MikroTik image and install in GNS3 to work on MikroTik router. See you in next video.